internet. Welcome to heat transfer tutorial. This is a made up version, not found in your textbooks, which requires more energy, constant pressure or constant volume. Constant pressure requires more energy because it requires an external or other source of energy to maintain it. Constant volume is defined by the shape of the container. Here is the extra reasoning. Alright, so before we leave, use snipping tool to save this video just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. So click on the icon or go to your Windows search and click on snipping tool. Then click on video option, click on new. Left click, drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen, hit the start button. In snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool, stop recording and save your video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.